In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0xc00005 Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate to the start. Okay, and from that, make a right click, scroll up and click on run. Once you have opened this small window, please type for percentage temp percentage. Click on the OK button. And once you have opened this window, you need to select the whole, press Ctrl A, and then click on Shift and Delete key in your keyboard and click on Yes. So please clear of all of the files here. Try again. Okay. And once you have completed the procedure, you need to close the window and proceed to the next step. The next step would be you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open again the small window called Run. Here, this time, you will type temp only. Okay? Click on the OK button. And from that, you need to select the whole again. Press Ctrl A and then Shift to delete and then click on Yes. And once you have marked here, this folder is empty, you need to close this window and proceed to the next step. The next step would be press Windows key and R key again, and this time you need to type for prefetched. Click on the OK button and then click on continue to give permission to access this window. And from that, you need to select the whole again, press Ctrl A and then Shift to delete and Shift and delete or click on yes. And then wait until this would be emptied. And once you have emptied it, close this window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, you need to proceed to the next step, and that is to disable the third-party antivirus. So if you have a third-party antivirus software or program running in your computer, consider disabling it. Okay, and once you have disabled it, you can now run the Windows Update and check if it's working. Or you may navigate to the taskbar. You can see a forward arrow key here. Click on that one. There you can see a shield icon. Click on it. And under the Windows Security, you need to navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that one. And from that, you need to proceed to the Manage Settings. And please turn all of this off. And if your user account control will keep asking you to click on yes. Just have to go with yes so that you can give permission on turning off or disabling all of these protections. Okay? Once done, you need to restart your computer and try to run the Windows Update and see if it's working. Okay? However, if you navigate to the last solution, and that is to do SFC scan. How we can do that at the search box here, please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and you need to run it as an administrator. Now click on that one. Once you've clicked on it, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this time, please type for SFC space forward slash scan now. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this would be finished, okay? So this will help you to fix the problem, okay? And this process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. It will depend on the machine that you are having. Please be patient. Don't close this window unless you are done. And then once you are done, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.